So let's get started. Now I will open my terminal and write npm create void at latest dot and press enter. The reason I write dot in the end is because I want everything to be installed inside this folder. So now let's wait. Here we need to choose React, and here I will choose JavaScript, and now we need to say npm install. Now we need to open tailwindcss.com, get started, framework guides. Here we need to choose void, and we can skip the first part because we have done it. And now we need to copy this, paste it here, press enter. Now we need to copy this, paste it here. Okay. Now we need to copy this and open tailwind.config.js file. And here we need to do this. Now let's copy index.css, and inside we need to change all of this to this. Okay. And now all we have left to do is to write npm run dev. So let's say npm run dev, open it. And to make sure that everything is working properly, you can come here and, for example, let's delete this. You can delete all of this and say h1, subscribe, and let's say class name will be bg-red500. Let's save and see. So as you can see, everything is working properly. Thanks for watching.